Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need something to soothe and relax you, this Taylor's chamomile tea is just the thing. This herbal chamomile tea has such a delicious flavor. It is really subtle, it's a little bit floral, and I just find it so soothing and so delicious. If you're a chamomile tea lover, you are definitely going to enjoy this. I love these individually wrapped bags for a couple reasons. One, they are easy to use. You just pop them in your hot water for a couple minutes and you don't have to deal with the loose leaf tea, so it just makes it a little simpler. I also love that makes them portable and you can take them with you when you're traveling or take them to your office and have a nice cup of chamomile whenever you need it. They brew in just a few minutes and they are delicious to have on its own, or you could add a little swirl of honey, which is what I love to do. And it is so comforting, especially if you're not feeling well or you've got a sore throat. This is such a nice tea. So if you need a perfect wind down cup of tea, check out this one from Taylor's. I absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.